Rwanda Military Academy Gako started in 1999, marking a significant step in formalizing Rwanda's officer-based training. It was initially a one-year officer cadet program that concentrated on essential military fundamentals. This initial model served us well during our formative years, providing Rwanda Defense Force with competent officers who could meet immediate operational requirements. Rwanda Military Academy vision is to be a center of excellence for educating and training cadets to become leaders of character who are broadly educated and professionally skilled to serve in the Defense Force. Its mission is to train and educate cadets in the values of military profession and academic excellence to meet operational requirements. In 2015, following RDF strategic leadership guidance through collaboration with the University of Rwanda, Rwanda Military Academy commenced integrated academic and military training. These programs include bachelor's degrees alongside professional military education. A strategic decision was made to introduce comprehensive four-year academic programs aimed at providing cadets with a more rigorous and well-rounded education. By extending the curriculum, the institution not only elevated its academic standards, but also aimed to produce officers who were not only tactically proficient, but also intellectually equipped to meet the challenges of modern service. Despite the introduction of a four-year cadet course, the institution recognized the value of its existing one-year cadet program to ensure continuity of other categories of recruits tailored for individuals who already possessed university degrees. This parallel track provided an efficient route for qualified candidates to transition into service without redundancy in training. This milestone could not be reached without considering infrastructure development. We therefore built modern academic facilities equipped with current learning technologies, namely specialized training facilities for various military disciplines, medical training facilities to support our healthcare programs. We also created engineering laboratories and workshops for research and skills development, and also considered modern accommodation facilities for trainees and trainers that align to the improved infrastructure, without forgetting advanced physical training and sports complexes to optimize environmental conditions to enhance exercises. Finally, we also considered state-of-the-art communication and IT infrastructure. Beyond officer-based training, the Rwanda Military Academy Gako also conducts pre-deployment training for contingent earmarked for United Nations and African Union peacekeeping support operations. This has positioned Rwanda as a leading contributor to international peacekeeping efforts.
The officer cadets undergo intensive military training that transforms civilians into professional military officers. The training curriculum focuses on three core areas: individual military skills, tactical proficiency, and leadership under operational conditions. The heart of military training lies in realistic combat field training exercises. The cadets conduct extensive field training exercises, including night operations and combat simulations, that test their ability to operate under pressure. They navigate challenging terrain, execute tactical missions, and conduct arduous physical training exercises.
Here we have been attending officer basic military training, which varies from military discipline, military studies, combat readiness, leadership, command and control, to list but a few. It is a course that requires not only physical endurance but also mental endurance, which is one of the best necessary things needed by Rwanda Defense Forces to uphold its integrity and its capabilities all around the world.
It wasn't easy at first, and as a lady, so many voices in my mind that I'm not able and I wouldn't make it, but here I am and proud of who I am becoming. Since I arrived here in Rwanda Military Academy, Gako, life is rigorous, structured, and multidimensional, blending academic achievement, physical endurance, tactical readiness, and leadership development. As officer cadets, we are not only trained to become military officers, but also national peace builders and regional peace contributors. With my social and military student program, I was not only trained that leadership is about command, but also dealing with people as whole.
One of the core values that I have learned here at Rwanda Military Academy, Gako, is the high standard of discipline that is required to accomplish any task given, because no achievement can be of value without discipline. For those who are hesitant to join Rwanda Defense Forces, I would encourage them to join Rwanda Defense Forces.
Our senior comrades did their part in liberating our country and rebuilding it. It is our duty as the new generation to sustain and protect what they fought for.
I am Officer Cadet Wakanga Miradan Ataho, Officer Basic Training 1-year program, an allied student from Uganda. We have been equipped with skills of becoming officers of character as future commanders of our forces. The other thing, as a core value of Rwanda Defense Forces, the core value of discipline. And because of that discipline, it has equipped me with broader knowledge of managing myself as an officer to be, as a commander to be. So I thank RDF and Rwanda Military Academy for such knowledge that was given to me, and I promise from here to represent the values I got from RDF, the values I got from Rwanda Military Academy back into my country.
The future of Rwanda Military Academy is obviously bright. We are actively developing several new academic programs that will further enhance officer cadets' capabilities and align with emerging security challenges and national development priorities, which include cybersecurity and information warfare programs, aeronautical engineering to support our growing Air Force capabilities, international relations and diplomacy programs for peacekeeping and diplomatic roles, and artificial intelligence to bridge gaps and enhance learning within our training institution. Furthermore, we are projecting to integrate international students into our programs to enrich our academic atmosphere and strengthen regional military cooperation. These additions will bring our total academic offers to over 15 specialized programs, making Rwanda Military Academy Gako one of the most comprehensive military academies in the region.